Hey kids, so today we're going to make the best meatballs and sauce. If you're a hostess or you're going to a potluck, this is what you're going to do. Alright, so what we put in the crock pot is we did Grandma's hint, which was the, I put in the lower sodium, just a jar of sauce. Alright, and I did put a jar of, diced tomatoes in there too. So then I chopped up my mushrooms and some onion, and look at this mushroom. It's in the shape of a heart. How do you like that? I love that stuff. So what I'm going to do, okay, is I am going to set this up. All right, I think. All right, so here we are. Now I made some meatballs. Okay, you could make any kind of meatballs. You can make hamburger meatballs or turkey meatballs. So today, because I'm going with some women that I could impress, I'm making turkey meatballs. So what I put in the meatballs was I put some parsley flakes, a little bit of pepper. I probably used about a quarter of that, and a dash of basil, a dash of oregano, and probably about a third of about that many Parmesan cheese. And I buy my own Parmesan cheese that's already grated. It comes in a plastic bag, and I just keep them in here. And I made the meatballs, rolled them. You can make them either small or a little bit bigger. If you go cocktail and you want more of them, you make them a little bit bigger. So now I'm going to put them into my sauce. Alright, and what I did was I baked them at 350 for maybe 10 minutes on one side and 5 minutes on the other side. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop the mushrooms in here. And it really depends upon what you want to do for the mushrooms and onion. And I just thought about something else, so I'll be right back. So I was gonna take a picture of the mushroom that is in the shape of a heart, but and so I did that. That's why I took a break for a minute. I'm gonna save that for right now, and I'm just gonna dump all the. I only put a little bit of onion in. I don't really like a lot of onion because makes my stomach a little upsetty. Love mushrooms. Mushrooms make the sauce a lot chunkier. And stir this all up and let it sit for about in the crock pot, you know, for a couple of hours. Go over every once in a while and mix it up. And I'm actually going to make another batch of turkey meatballs. This is 2 pounds. So 2 pounds, I got that on sale for $4.99 each. And I'm going to bring along some little rolls, and the rest of them I'm going to a woman's Bible study barbecue today, and then this afternoon I'm going to Gia's confirmation communion tomorrow morning, so we're going to have the rest of the meatballs then. And Nana Bobana signing off, and she loves you. So I'm just going to reiterate a little bit because I bought 2 pounds of turkey and mixed it all up and made it into meatballs. And I had one pan went into here, and I think this is going to be enough sauce. So I would say this would be a great recipe with 1 pound of meatballs, whether it be beef or hamburg. And I'm letting that sit all day. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the rest of the meatballs and I'm just going to put them in a container and save them. But what I did was I baked them for 10 minutes and then I turn them, and then they're brown and the juices stay in them, and that's why they're a little bit juicier. Making your own meatballs. So that's my recipe for meatballs and a sauce, and I'm ready to go to a party and bring a donation and a little hostess gift, and that's what I want to teach you kids how to do. Okay, bye.